Anna froze as the clock began ticking backward, its chimes echoing unnaturally in the still night. The air felt heavy, as though time itself was folding in on her. The figure stepped closer, his face still obscured in shadows. "You're braver than the others," he said, his voice a low, cold whisper. "But bravery doesn't stop what's already begun." Anna clenched her fists. "Who are you? What do you want?" The man tilted his head. "It's not about me. It's about the deal this town made long ago. Midnight is when debts are collected." "What debt?" Anna demanded, stepping back. The man gestured to the clock. "This town took time it didn't deserve. Now, it must give some back. You'll find out soon enough." He reached into his coat and pulled out a silver coin, tossing it to her. Anna caught it instinctively. As her fingers closed around the cold metal, she felt a rush of images: a bustling town, the same clock tower decades ago, and a group of townspeople begging for a second chance to rebuild their lives after a disaster. The coin shimmered, and she saw the man, unchanged, shaking hands with the mayor. A chill ran through her. "You've been here before," she whispered. The man smiled, a thin, unsettling curve. "I never leave." He faded into the shadows as the clock's backward ticking grew louder. Anna looked at the coin. On one side was the town's crest, on the other, a single word: choose. Suddenly, the clock chimed again, and Anna realized the choice was hers. Return the coin and save herself, or keep it and let the town's debt continue. As the final chime echoed, Anna's decision would shape the town's future forever.